to open TN. Switch warning. Engine off. Flight mode. Bridge. Acro mode on.
All right, we got some Steez with some Butterflight on it. That's right, we spread that Butterflight all over that Revolt. It's in the Steez, and it's got 32K Fast Kalman filters activated and a slight tuning adjustment from the stock PIDs. We're gonna give it a rip and see what happens. You ready? Woo! Butterflight. I'm gonna have to really check the HD on that to see what it's looking like. I did crash a couple times, which is I think a good thing, because it showed how well it recovered. It actually did really well on the recoveries. By the way, that pole right here, I almost mashed that pole. I know you saw me wrap around it, but that pole is usually not there. I had no idea it was there until I saw it the last second. I'll show you the props are pretty beat up. Props are beat up, pretty big, bent, chipped, all that stuff. It handled the crashes, and I don't know, again, until I look at the HD video, I'm really gonna have to look at the tune, but I am stoked. It is a fun little flight. We'll see how it goes from there.